Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Amma here. Today's video is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. Yes, exactly as you see it, that's how it will turn out. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my video and drop a comment for me. I start off by using my mascara wand to brush up the hairs in my brow. Then I use my eye pencil. This is a Bobbi brown shade 18 to create gentle strokes on the hairs on my brow. It's just like filling it up with the pencil gently. You don't need to press it into the hairs. Then I draw a straight line on top of the brow to kind of like shaping it out, and to shaping out the arc too, you just draw it down. And I draw a straight line on the bottom of my brow too, just like defining the actual brow, just bringing it out, not doing anything extra. Then I continue filling it up with gentle strokes, and I do just the exact same thing I did to the other brow to this one. With gentle strokes I fill it in, and then I use my mascara wand, to just make it look more natural. I do this continuously until I get the results I want. Like, I want all the brows to blend into the pencil. I don't want no space gap. I just just cover the whole hairs with the brow pencil. Then I use my matte flawless brow concealer in the shade Fawn. Then I use my angle brush to kind of like shapen out the brow and make it look more defined. I know I've said defined before, but this actually does the work because you shape it out to the exact shape you want it to be. And when I'm using my angle brush, you notice I start from the bottom to the top. I gently use the angle brush to shaping out the brows carefully, gently. This takes a lot of time, but I have to achieve the actual shape I want. So I do this, I take my time to do this. So about my hair, this is a slick down hair, and I have a video on how to create a slick down on your natural short hair, and the link will be up in the description above. The next thing I'm doing now is to arc my brow, and I just use my angle brush. From the bottom I just create that straight slant line on the brow, carefully, a straight slant line. Then I create a straight line too to the top of the brow. Everything has to be straight. While doing this, I have to take my time. Like, if you want to do this, please take your time. It has to be straight, no slanty, nothing, no curving, nothing. Everything has to be straight. The arc has to be straight. The top line has to be straight. The bottom has to be straight. Creating the arc too, it has to go in a slanted straight line. So you take your time to achieve this. Once you can just make this part just as straight as it can be, come on, you have the look already. Then I do the same thing to the other brow, the same process, the same procedure. And I use my fluffy brush to just blend it into my skin, and you see how this just goes into my skin. To make the brow look real pretty, I use my angled brush, and then I just create few strokes in the outer part of the brow to the both brow, then use my mascara to blend it. It will make that side look lighter. That's a trick, that's a hack right there. Trust me guys, if you do this the exact way I did it, this is how your brow is going to turn out to be. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, and drop a comment down